Hello and welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to uninstall software remotely on a Windows system using AirDroid Remote Support. Whether you're managing multiple computers in a network or need to remove software from a remote device, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. Ensure your local device have AirDroid Business installed and the remote device have AirDroid Remote Support installed. Next, establish a connection. 1. On the remote device, open AirDroid Remote Support and generate a 9-digit connection code. 2. On your local device, open AirDroid Business and enter the 9-digit code provided by the remote device. 3. Click Connect to establish the remote session. You will see the remote desktop interface on your screen. 2. Use your mouse and keyboard to navigate the remote device, as if you were physically in front of it. 1. Open the Start menu on the remote desktop and type Control Panel. 2. Navigate to Programs, Programs and Features. 3. Locate the software you wish to uninstall, right-click, and select Uninstall. 4. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled software remotely on a Windows device using AirDroid Remote Support. This powerful tool makes remote management simple and effective. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Visit airdroid.com to learn more and get started today.